fellas I was talking to at the boat ramp. It's Noodles. That one's got a fish on it. Hope it's a big one for them. Huh. Guys, I'm out here. This is a new to me lake. I've got a tournament next Saturday, and the tournament is a Roadrunner event. This is one of the bodies of water in play. I fished yesterday at some of the other bodies of water that we could fish, and I didn't get a bass bite, I don't think, on those places. And so after that, I came out here yesterday just to find it. I threw a few times off the pier and I caught one. I like the looks of what this looks like around the bank. It's got a lot of vegetation, lily pads and grass and stuff that should be able to fish with how I like to fish with my worm. I think you can frog it, and I've got my punching rig set up. I think when the sun gets up, I think you can punch some of this stuff and maybe catch some. It looks good to me. I'm excited. I'm out here today just practicing. I've got my board. We may keep up with our best 5, but we really want to try to figure stuff out before next Saturday. So here we go. Let's see what we can do. Fish number 1, it's like 13 3/4. What's a dark little fish? This one is 11 3/4, number 2. Another probably 11-inch fish. number 4, little 12-incher. Wish they'd start getting a little bigger. I need to find some bigger fish for sure. Better one. This one's about 14 inches. That's number 5, I think, though. That's better. A little bit. That's a little better. That's 15 inches. That's the best one yet. Yeah, how about that? $16.5. That's my best one yet for sure. So the past 2 in the past few minutes have been better over here on this side, so that's a good sign. Another better one. This one's 14.5. I'm definitely catching a little better quality fish over here. Little one. Oops. A little 12-incher. Well, I think that's going to do it for practice. We've kind of hit a lull here at the middle of the day. It's 11:20. It's getting hot. Haven't caught anything in a little while. But I had a pretty good day. I think I had, somewhere around 75, 76 inches. I think it'll probably take somewhere in the low to mid 80s to win. It may be more. I don't know. I don't have a lot of experience on this lake, but I think it's going to come down to who can get that one big bite, maybe two big bites. I think I have a pretty good game plan for what I'm going to do next weekend. We'll see what the weather's like. Right now it's supposed to be like it is today, but weather is always changing. I think my plan is to start over here where I caught some better quality fish shallow early, maybe go back over it a couple times, and then in the middle of the day like it is here, when it's hot and there's not much going on, I think I'm going to go find some lily pad, some bigger lily pad fields where there's a lot of shade, and kind of bury myself in there and start punching around and frogging and worming around. I did see a couple big blow-ups back in the back of one of the coves I went to. I couldn't get it to bite, but this would definitely seem like pretty good fish, so we'll see. Just hope I can get a big bite next Saturday. Boy, if I could get one early, that would be great, but who knows? I don't feel terrible about it, but we'll see.